right now. Keto diet is on fire. So let's take some chicken thighs and make them keto style. Check it out. All right, for our ingredients, chicken leg thigh, we have cilantro, onion, lemon, garlic clove, mushroom, and recommended by a very special subscriber is a soy alternative for keto diets especially. This has less than a gram of carbohydrates in it. This is keto friendly. Thank you. So preheat your saute pan, get that nice and hot, ready to go. All right, for the mushroom, you're just gonna cut the tip, and then we're gonna quarter these, just like that. Okay, so for the garlic clove, all you're gonna do is you're gonna peel it. Leave it whole, crack it, peel it, and set it aside. That's it. Okay, for the lemon, we're gonna do segments, and we're also gonna do wheels. So first, segments. Segments is just gonna be to extract the juice in the cooking process. Now, the wheels, we're gonna cut like this. Just like that. Nice little lemon wheels. Okay? For the onion, you're gonna half it, peel it, and then you're just gonna come at it and we're gonna make slices. Just like that. All right, for the cilantro, for right now, just chop off the stems. Keep them to the side. All right, now for the chicken. What we're gonna do is you're gonna take some salt and salt the skin very nicely, and pepper. And that's it. All right, so first things first. Get a saute pan, another saute pan, and get that hot. We're gonna add the butter to the saute pan. And those lemon wheels I had you cut, what we're gonna do, we're gonna place them inside the butter, and we're gonna just get a nice brown color on these. This is gonna add a nice accent to the dish as far as flavor and as far as look. So it's about 1 minute, flip them over. We're just looking for some nice light brown color. And that's it. We don't want to completely overcook the lemon because all the juice is going to come out. We just want to get that nice little caramelization of color. So once your saute pan is ripping hot, we're going to add our chicken. Skin side down. And we're going to get a nice crispy chicken skin on this. Woo! Okay. Once you get the nice color on your chicken, flip your chicken over. Reduce your heat down to a low temperature. Go ahead and add some chicken stock to the pan. About a quarter of the way up on the pan. Now my pan's on extremely low heat right now. It doesn't look like it because I have a cast iron and it holds heat very well. We're going to add our cilantro stems. Okay. Add your mushrooms. And add your onions. And we're basically going to let this cook all down, all the flavors infuse, come together. Go ahead and bring your temperature back up to about a medium. We want this to just simmer slowly. So a very important trick is to keep the skin side up. We want to keep the skin nice and crispy. So keep the skin side up. Don't forget to add your garlic. All right, so once everything's simmered down a little bit, about 5 minutes, go ahead and add the alternative soy, and just add a little bit. We're adding it for flavor, also for some color, but don't add too much. Now this is very salty. You'll notice that I only put salt on the chicken skin. This is gonna add a lot of salt. So as of now, we're gonna let this just cook down, and then we're gonna taste it, and then if we need to add salt, pepper, whatever, we'll add it then. So after about 15 minutes of cooking it, go ahead and put it in the oven and finish it off in the oven. That'll get the top part cooked and it'll keep the skin crispy. Alright, so I got the tip on 350. I'm going to put it in the oven for another like 20 minutes just to finish cooking the chicken completely. So after about 15 minutes, that's what it should look like. Now, a key takeaway from this, be very careful that you have enough liquid inside that after it goes in the oven for the 15 minutes, that it's not completely dry and you still have some jus left. You don't want it to dry out and burn up all your lovely vegetables that are in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon inside. And depending on how much you want, I'll just do 1/2 of a lemon. Final touches, you're going to take some cilantro. And you're going to garnish the entire pan with the cilantro. And then set the chicken aside. You're gonna take all the jus and the mushrooms and the onions. Try not to get the cilantro stems. And you're gonna just garnish it on the bottom of the plate. And then you're gonna put your chicken right on top. And I'm gonna show you that. So you can either do it per plate or you can get a serving dish. So lay out all your vegetable on a plate or serving dish like this. And like I said, try to get rid of some of those cilantro stems. And then you can put all that nice jus right on top of all this. You take the chicken, lay it on top, and then you take those beautiful lemon wheels that you made earlier, and you're just garnishing the plate with those. And that is keto style chicken leg and thigh. Sexy.